If you're looking for a sublimation printer kit that can create clear, vibrant, and long-lasting transfers for cotton items, Sawgrass has got you covered. Hi everyone, it's Jared with HeatPress Nation, and I'll be taking a look into the Sawgrass ChromaBlast printer kit that's bundled with the SG500 and SG1000 printers. Both SG printers will offer the same great results shown in this video. Sawgrass ChromaBlast printer kits are designed to bring the lasting and rich colors of sublimation directly onto light-colored cotton items. Using specialized inks and media, the transfers created with the ChromaBlast kit are similar to those of inkjet printers with light heat transfer paper, which means that they'll rely on the white or bright shades of a cotton item, but are as soft as the fabric when applied. If you already own a Sawgrass printer for your sublimation blanks, having another for ChromaBlast can be a great way to expand your decoration and customization projects. With the ChromaBlast printer kit completely set up to your computer and powered on, simply find the image you'd like to print through Sawgrass Print Manager. Be sure that your printer's ink has been set to ChromaBlast on the Manage Printers menu first. Then you'll be able to print with an optimized profile. You can either print an image within a simple shape to trim by hand, or prepare one to print and cut with your vinyl cutter. By printing and cutting, however, you'll need to mirror your image in your cutting software rather than leaving the mirror option checked on Sawgrass Print Manager. With the image printed, trim it to your preference, and then it's ready to be applied on a light-colored cotton item. To apply ChromaBlast media, your machine will need to be set to 30 seconds at 375 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. Once it reaches temperature, go ahead and place your cotton item on the lower platen, then place and center your transfer facing down towards it. Cover the transfer with parchment paper and then press. When the timer reaches 0, open your machine and peel the ChromaBlast transfer while it's hot. Your cotton item has now been applied with a beautiful and soft ChromaBlast transfer. To learn more about ChromaBlast, Sawgrass, and other sublimation tools and materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with HeatPress Nation, and thanks for watching.